Okay. Shouldn't have a webcam on, which is fine because I can't be asked wearing that fucking mask. Um, so yeah, only really logging on now. I've traded a different account. Um, but yeah, this is the live stream account. So we trade this. Um, Not really much opinion on the markets, to be honest. 30, let's get the 30s on. Super quick TA. Let's go. So, yeah, balance D shape. Targets down here. Clearly, that's a target. We gave RDI, that's rejection. Shut up. Targets down there. Nice. Safe ones above. We really longed it. We already didn't short it, but that was the big boy level. Wanted this area. I didn't really like that area, but I won't be surprised if it comes and takes this high, to be honest. In terms of this now, um, we are streaming. I can just stay, get you up. You can go there. Let's get the Amazon. Let's find some fucking longs. Yes. Next long is probably that. Shorts here, longs there. Apart from that, zero opinion. Could become there. Let's check. Yes. Check gold. Rough. That was the long. Not really missed yet. Stop. Hmm, that's annoying. Let's quickly do this. That's well annoying because this could be the long here as well. I'm going to try and take it. 170. Let's go for 200. 230. If this doesn't work, which it doesn't look like it's gonna be the original, which was, that's very aggressive, isn't it? Look at that. I don't think it's bad. Bit more, maybe. I'm gonna try again. I'm on the wrong side. Gonna try again. Stop's gonna be below here. PDL is gonna be a K on this account. Here's my phone. Come on, give it to me. You might not give it to me, but I think we should get a 1-to-1 here. So on this count, I just take 1-to-1s. I really want this though, actually. I might, yes. Right, I think that 275, 3. I'll take two. Oh God, that was quick. So ES isn't really doing. ES is kind of bullish here. Like ES isn't that bad. So NQ's taken this low, but ES hasn't, right? There was the long on ES. Well, no, not really. There was the long on ES. So now I'm glad we uh we didn't just keep on the stop down. Gold, what are you doing? Gold is sort of just doing its thing, man. Gold is like straight down. Right, push up. It goes pretty hard. Could have a nice long from here on gold. So any cues there. Stop's going to be this low. Might move this up a bit because I don't really care too much about this. I know where the stop is, right? So I don't care too much. If it also puts some bullish reversal in, I'll go in for a half back um, of the 1 minute. Is it going to give it to me? Yeah, it should do. It should do. So that if this prints green, I'll go in at a half back. Do it quickly. Big. This might be the last trade of the day. Could be the last one of the day. It's got potential. Let's see what happens. I think we're gonna get it. It looks like we might, to be honest. I could even get this to break even and move it up, but it's not really the strategy rules, so we're done. Um, do I want to take this again though? That's the question. Probably 33 seconds in. I like that level there, see, I do like that level. Yeah, we get it. You've done exactly what we wanted you to do. So now we've moved so much. I don't really know. So I'm gonna go in again here. I'm gonna be risking quite a lot actually. But yeah, we'll try again. We'll try again. Our stop is going to be the low. We'll do a 1-to-1 here. Still haven't flipped the MA, so we're still super early. Um, that was a nice short, to be honest, but I liked it. I just liked it higher. Um, yeah, I didn't like it there. I liked it there. This looks pretty sound now. Do I get it again at this low? Probably. Fuck it. Trading a bit like a retard, to be honest. But yeah, this is going to be very tight now. Not really asked what it does here. It's just going to be, I want to move this to break even quickly. I want this to flip green. That was my chance, but my finger was on this and not this. Yeah, oh well. Wouldn't be surprised if that could be the move. Should we try it again? Let's pull that below that. 165. Nah, that's good. That's gonna stop me, isn't it? Yeah, that's gonna stop me. No, it's not. See, that was the plan. But what I don't like about this now is you see, this is just, it's not an order block, right? But it's close. Um, but you want to see, you don't want to see it. You just want to see it go, right? You don't want to see it hang around. Right, it's building a mini triangle. Gonna break one way or another. Do you like this, you know? I like that. I'm just gonna get in it. 380, 600. See if we can get there. Higher than what I liked, right? But no, it's not. It's gonna stop me. I can tell. You want it to go quickly, like not. It's just hanging around down here, right? Which means there isn't that much interest in doing what it wants to do. For that reason, we're gonna keep that there. I might even bring it up. Yeah, cross. You don't want to see that. You want to see it come down. You want to see it flip green um, quickly. Because effectively, what I'm looking at, oof, that looks nice there. It doesn't look nice here. Here you go. What is that? But yeah, this is what you want to see, not this. That doesn't look too bad. Like that looks like it's doing what it wants to do. Why is this so far behind? Okay, that's weird. Yeah, we could try again. Stop is going to be right down here. We could throw back a lot of these gains. I'll try. 53. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Oh, stopped. Watch it fucking do it now. Try again. Why is that a short? Well, that's not right. We just made money for doing nothing. Okay, we're going to retard now. I'm clicking the wrong buttons. That was supposed to be a buy stop on the flip. Let's try. I like all that. See, it doesn't look great to be honest. Yeah, there you go. Gave back quite a lot in that messy ordeal, but that is it effectively. Basically, yeah. Right, let's move on. You've been much nicer to trade. Like that's a much nicer. You, no real opinion. That's awful. It's nice for continuation, right? So, um, you haven't really got any ideas, to be honest. Limit by one there. Let's get rid of that quick. That was quick. It's a very small loss. What could have been a bigger win. Do you want this? Do you like this? This will be the last time I take this. I will not take this again after this. This fails. We'll go look at. So it's 15. Could see a nice push up, but if this fails, we'll either stop or we'll look at gold and wait for something. Yeah, it's gonna get stopped, isn't it? We'll look at gold or something else. So every time it's popping up, it's just getting like absolute dropped back down. I wish I could see delta, see what the actual delta's doing. Because yeah, it's just so once like, do I take that? Um, yeah, I guess I do. So now you've got a nice turnaround. We're still below the EMAs. You've got an option, or you could either. Yeah, I will buy that actually. Buy that again. Right. Come on, come on, come on. Stops below here. 215. Let's see if this holds. Yeah, no, like that 8 EMA is just holding it right. It's just holding it so hard. But yeah, you want this to hold. Ideally, I don't want it to take this long either. I'm gonna just get out of that. I'm gonna wait until this happens. Back. Even though that's quite a nice trade. Seen these wicks. There you go. Mm, it was actually quite a nice trade that turned out to be. Very nice, actually. Coming up to the 24, punch straight through it. You could see this candle open, auction down, and then come back up. You could see it. Let's see if we can get in somewhere around this SD flip. So, option one, yeah, looks like it's going to go there. That looks horrific now. That looks awful. It looks awful. That is a great short off the 24. Let's see what happens. I think this is gonna take out some of these highs so I could get in here. That's acceptable. See if we do it again. I want to get in there. There is that. I mean, we could get in here. Yes, come down, and that's acceptable. This high. All right, 340, 305. Not really good trade, so we're gonna have to move that to there. Do you want this to go higher? Do you want it to go higher? And I'm not gonna start. I feel like I've messed up a lot of trades by just moving stops and moving things. So it's just got matched. I still don't think it's gonna come down that much though. I still don't think it will. I'm back to 600 now. Oh, wow. One, 240. I'll go for 340. And my DDL's a K. So I'm not really prepared to risk much more than around. Well, that's going to hit, isn't it? That's definitely going to hit. I'm not really prepared to risk much more than another 500 just because I've already hit a lot of these. Let's check gold out. No, not sure of here. Be a bit more patient now, I think. So we had this setup, which was nice. That's paid like 3 times, but in the process, I've had 2 tight stops. Um, chop. You got your low, you got your high. I'm not chasing it now, so I'll come probably buy like right at the lows. I'm going to take this off as well, just in case I'm not monitoring it. Yes, just do your thing. There's still selling pressure, right? Um, Sorry, I'm just reading things, catching up with the fam. Nice. See if much if you chased it. Ooh, come on. But one thing I don't want it to just go boom straight down. So I'm gonna have to try it in fast. Grin. 155. Take it. Should have stretched that out a bit. That's an A setup that I just fucking. That should have been 2 risk to reward, but the account isn't for 2 risk to reward. So, meh. Uh, see what we get. I think you'll get a bit. You'll get at least 2 here. I mean, we should not do it now. But I mean, you got close, right? 0.5. 2 pays the bills. That's one thing I do know. 2 does pay the bills. Oh, gosh, see, that was the fucking short. That's the short for another account I've got. Um, but it's finished, so yeah, I don't need to show or do it. It's done. Mhm. Right. Okay, so matched. Yes, that's even better support, right? But trying it down too much. Not happy. Want this to get flipped at least. Or to could be a little deviation, but I don't really give a fuck to be honest. I don't really care what it does. Purely because, well, I don't trade. I'm not trading like massive positions, am I? Like holding them for a long time. They could sweep this low. And it looks like it's a higher low still. Oh, excuse me. It's a high low. Can't really make it work, but I don't really give a fuck. It's a high low. See, you come down, you're like, damn. Look, it's got juice. It might not turn around now. Might not turn around. You can go off. You can go off. So options. Ain't really got an option. Got this, that's an option. Not going to short this area. I would short there. Would be crazy if we come back down here. A lot of people would be like, damn, pretty bearish. All the day traders, right? See if these buyers are still there. It's aggressive. So the other option is along at this low. Which one want to take? It's too risky, man. We'll just wait. We'll stay patient. Because that is another option. Is along there. Should we just fucking do it? Yeah, fuck it. Let's get a bit under as well. Let's go for there. Stop needs to be reasonable. You know it's going to be there. TP 185, so 200's reasonable. And I'll throw this at entry quite quickly. Oh, bastard. Yeah, oh well. He's gonna get stopped. I really want to just throw this up. I actually just want to get out of this, to be honest. Yeah, we'll just get out of that. It's kind of stupid. Now, I think would be a better one because you've got like more of a. I don't know how to describe what I'm seeing, but you could see a little pivot starting here if we take here and then go. You'd have I'd have TP'd anyway, so it's kind of annoying that I just closed that. But this is the better one. Stop somewhere down here, right? Depends on you though. Building value here. Really choppy. Like that's just really choppy price action. It's great, but it's great on. Yes, it does look great on IQ. It doesn't look great. I'm one big loss away from calling it because I'm tired. I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm not gonna, probably not going to trade power hour, to be honest. Right. 380. 380. I'm not going to keep my stop there. It's very aggressive. If this stops, then I'm cooked. Like I'm done. I'm not going to trade it again. And it's probably, yeah, that's going to stop me. Pretty sure that when it comes and closes right below the level, like yeah, I'm done. That was that was a hard buyback, wasn't it? You wanted here to hold. You don't want it to come all the way down here. It's just trending down. So yeah, we're locked out. I'm gonna lock it out now. Yeah, that's I wish I didn't do that though, because I could just keep going. Because we didn't hit the DDL, but the way I'm thinking of it is I've probably been over 6, 7, 8, 9. I've definitely lost 1,000, all in all. But I've definitely made 1,000, right? But we've definitely lost 1,000. So yeah.